Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase some BNB token on the Binance centralized exchange. So let's get going. All right, so Binance is back up online, not fully. Deposits are enabled, but withdrawals are not quite there yet. So I'm going to show you how to deposit some currency in Binance and then buy some BNB coin. I'll keep it short and sweet. All right, so you can see here I'm logged into my Binance account and I'm in the fund section, the funds balance section. And you can see here that most of the coins have deposits enabled. So we can deposit our cryptocurrency in Binance now. And this is the main vehicle for purchasing altcoins. A lot of these altcoins are not available on some of the other more mainstream exchanges like Coinbase. But you can buy your cryptocurrency on Coinbase or somewhere else and deposit it in Binance. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Cash app to do so. So let's get started with that. All right, so I'm going to share my phone with you guys, and I'm going to use the Cash app to do this. Now, if you don't have the Cash app, you can head over to the Apple Store, the App Store, and just type in Square Cash. All right? And there it is, that green $ icon. And you can download this in a GIF, get yourself set up. You're going to link a debit card to this. And when you want to buy Bitcoin, here's the way it goes. You're going to have to load the card, first of all. So I'm going to hit that icon up in the left top corner and go down here to where it says Cash. I'm going to tap that, and I'm going to hit Add Cash. And I'll put in 50. And I'll hit Add 50 down at the bottom. Right? It just checks my Face ID, and there. Now I've just added $50 to the Cash app. Now I'm going to go over to where it says Bitcoin down there. As you can see, I've got 50 cash and 0 Bitcoin. So I'll tap Bitcoin, and then I'm going to tap Buy. And then I'll put in 50 and hit Buy down at the bottom. Check my Face ID. And there it is. I've got $50 worth of Bitcoin in my Cash app. I'm going to hit Confirm down there. And there we go. Now I'm done. All right. And then you can see I have a Bitcoin balance. Right? So now I want to transfer this into my Binance account. And I should note there that I've almost got $50 worth of Bitcoin. So I believe that the Cash app is one of the cheapest, easiest ways to buy Bitcoin. All right. Other exchanges, you get kind of a merchant charge when you actually buy the Bitcoin. Cash app is very cheap. All right. Now what I want to do is withdraw Bitcoin. So before I do that, I need an address. I need somewhere to send it. Right. So I'm going to go over to my Binance app. I'm going to go down here to BTC, and I'm going to hit Deposit. This is the one we've all been waiting for, right? Waiting for deposits to be enabled, right? So I'm going to use the Show QR Code feature. And then let's take a look at my phone here. I'll move it over just a little bit. Now I'm going to hit Withdraw Bitcoin. I'm going to tap Withdraw Bitcoin, and I'm going to slide that slider over all the way to the end to give me my maximum amount. And then I'm going to tap Withdraw down there at the bottom. Right? And then the camera comes up. So all I need to do is scan that Bitcoin address. And there, I've sent that. Well, now it wants me to confirm. As you can see, I can eyeball the address to make sure it's the same, and then hit confirm. All right? And then I need to enter my PIN to confirm this. And there we go. I've sent that Bitcoin over to Binance. All right? Now I can finish up with the phone. I'm done with the phone. And now all we need to do is go over to Binance and wait for that Bitcoin to arrive. You can go over here to Funds Transaction History. And then you'll just wait and maybe refresh a little bit until you see that Bitcoin come in. All right, so we can see that the Bitcoin has arrived in my Binance account. Didn't take too long, about 4 or 5 minutes. It takes, depending on the time of day, I guess it does take longer than others sometimes. But I see it coming into my Binance account, and we'll just wait for it to fully confirm. And when it's fully confirmed in my Binance account on the blockchain, then I will be able to purchase some BNB coin. Okay, so looks like we can refresh, and then the Bitcoin is now in there, and we're ready to roll. So you can see there that I got an alert from Binance to let me know that the deposit was successful and complete, and so now we can move over and take care of this. All right, so we just go over here to funds, and I'm going to buy some BNB. You can see I already have a little bit, and I've got some BAT, and I've got some BTC. That's the BTC that we just transferred in. So let's go over here to trade. I'm going to go to the trade on the BNB. You can see there's a BNB BTC trading pair. So we'll just select that, and that's going to take us over to the trading window. And what we want to do is buy BNB. Now, I'm an impatient man, so I'm going to hit market so I don't have to wait around for the limit order. I believe that you save a little money with limit orders, but I want this to execute right away. I'm going to hit 100%. I'm going to sell 100% of that BTC that I just transferred over for BNB. So I'll hit buy BNB, and you can see the market order got created up there. And let's go back up here. We can check open orders and see that there's nothing open. We've already made the transaction. We can go over here and we can see now that I've got Binance coin and no more Bitcoin, right? So to recap, I bought the Bitcoin on the Cash app on my phone. I transferred the Bitcoin into my Binance account in the Bitcoin wallet. And then I use that Bitcoin to buy my BNB coin on Binance. And now I'm locked and loaded. So I can just hold the BNB coin if I want, or I can use it to buy any other altcoins that are available on Binance. As you can see here, if you use BNB, you save on your trading fees. So it's a little cheaper to use BNB to trade than to directly trade Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum when you're buying your altcoins. So that's it. And as you can see, it just came back up online. So we don't have withdrawals enabled yet, but we will soon. When we get the withdrawals enabled, I will show you guys how to withdraw your BNB coin to your own wallet. That'll be the subject of the next video. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A in LA. Throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to get them answered on the fly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.